It's time for another room tour, and today we are in the Ritz Carlton in Wolfsburg in Germany. This is the home of Volkswagen, in case you didn't know, and this hotel is actually located in the grounds right next to the Autostadt, which is, if you know anything about Volkswagen cars, is a great place you might want to visit, and perhaps you might want to stay here. This is a typical room. We're on the third floor. And to give you an idea of what it's like, so when you walk in, first of all, you get a nice comfortable couch, a chair, all the usual odds and ends are there, and you've got a phone, and actually quite useful, you've got a lot of charging and extra plugs just in there, which is quite handy. And then you've got quite a nice proper double bed, and I've stayed here a few times. I've got to tell you, the beds here are super comfortable, really nice. You've got reading lights there, controls everywhere in the room, so very easy to control everything. You might even just be able to see the RC on the pillows. Very luxurious. Everything is really nicely done here. Nice soft lighting throughout the whole room. You can actually select how bright you want this as well. So you can have soft lighting, you can have full lighting. Obviously you've got climate control. Then you've got a lot of wardrobe space. I'll just show you in here. So you've got all the usual features you want in a room to have for your stay. Slippers, bathrobes, extra storage, lots of hangers, an iron as well, which is useful. And then just in here, so that's the room, the door you come in rather. You've got a fridge unit here and coffee machine for refreshments, all well stocked there as well. Now, bathroom next. This is the bathroom. You've got a toilet in there. You've also got a look in case you wanted to see. So it's very simple, separate toilet. And then you have the shower. Good size, lots of stuff there for you as well. And then you have more lighting, single sink, vanity mirror, all that there as well. And then you also have some more bits there as well, small towels, and a decent deep bath as well. It's also got a shower head attached to it. Yeah, that's the bath. Very nicely done inside. Another bathrobe. Yeah, that's a quick room tour. The Ritz Carlton. This is the third floor in room 306, in case you're wondering. And one more thing I'll give you a look at is the view outside. Now, there's not as great a view from this side, but you can see just over there is the famous Volkswagen factory, but it's kind of not a huge, great view from this end. But you can just see as well the pool as part of the facilities that are here. So there you go. Hope you found it useful. Let me know in the comments if there's something you'd like to know. I'll try and get any questions answered. Please subscribe to the channel. Hope you found it useful. If you did, give us a thumbs up as well.